I have a delicious, simple, easy Easter dessert for you today, so keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making this absolutely delicious Easter dessert. It is a Easter cake bars. We're going to be using a cake mix, but yet it's going to come out cookie kind of like. So it's got very, very few ingredients, but I'm telling you, easy to make. The kids are going to love it, and you can do this for any holiday. We're going to be using some pastel-colored M&Ms for Easter, but this would be great for any holiday, Christmas or whatever. You just change out the color of the M&Ms. So let me stop talking. Let's go over all the ingredients and put this together. Alrighty, so I have some unsalted butter, semi-sweet chocolate chips, a yellow cake mix, some vegetable oil spray, 2 eggs, and some M&Ms. And friends, that's all the ingredients we're going to be using today. Alright my friends, so I have 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it. And in the meantime, I turned on my oven to 350 to preheat it. So I'm going to go ahead, throw this in real quick. Alrighty, so while that's in the microwave and the oven is heated, I have a 9x13 pan and my little spray here, and we're going to go ahead and spray our pan real quick. Okay, so let's make sure we get, oh, my glasses are on the table. I do not need pan spray all over my glasses. Make sure we get this sprayed really, really well. You could probably use parchment paper if you wanted to. Alright, we're going to set that aside. In the meantime, we're going to take our bowl, our cake mix, and just dump it right on in. Just like that. And then we have 2 eggs, and we're going to break those. That right in there. My butter should be melted, so we're going to go grab that real quick. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and put in our melted butter. And then we're going to stir this up really well. Now this is going to become very cookie dough-like. Okay, so it is going to thicken up. I'm just going to keep stirring it and stirring it. And you see how it's starting to thicken already? Smells good. Alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and fold in a cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips and 3/4 cups. We're not going to do a whole cup. We're going to save the other for the topping. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed really well. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous George. Have you guys ever said that before? I don't know where that came from. Gorgeous George. I remember that being when I was even young. Let me know if you guys have ever heard that saying, Gorgeous George. I do not know where it came from or why we say it. Oh my goodness, my arms. It is so pretty. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and spread it out in our pan. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this in our greased 9x13 pan. Whew. We're going to have to use our hands to spread this one out. And yes, they've been washed. I always wash my hands before I start cooking. Alrighty. So Let's spread this out. Oh, we don't need to use our hands. It's actually working nicely. With it being greased, it's spreading out pretty nicely. All right. Alrighty, and now we have the last of our M&Ms, and we're just going to sprinkle them in areas. Put them on top. Put them in areas that do not have any pretty color. So now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll check on it at the 20-minute mark and see where we're at. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's see where we're at. It's been 20 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Can you all see that? I'll have to do a close-up. Let's see if we're done. Oh, I went through the chocolate. I think we are. Got a little bit of chocolate on it from the chocolate, but no cake mix. Alrighty, we're going to take this out. Alrighty, so we're going to let this sit here for a little while because we definitely need this to cool down before we can cut it up into our little bars. So we'll be back in a few. Alrighty, I think we're cool enough. I just have my little white tray here. So we're going to go ahead and cut these up. Oh, I put that away and I shouldn't have. That definitely helps. Let's go ahead and cut these up. Let's keep it as straight as possible. I'm going to take these into work because y'all know we do not need these here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and the first one out. Have that. You see? Does it look ooey gooey? There we go. Look at that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and tray these up and then we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, so here they are. I will have a close-up picture at the end. So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Hopefully I can give you, see that? Let's do a little quick taste test. The chocolate. Oh, friends, I'm not a sweet eater, but I'm telling you, the chocolate chips just like melt in your mouth. Oh my goodness, so delicious. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, I would greatly appreciate it if you could share my videos so we can get the algorithm going again. My views are kind of down. I really would love it if you could share, commenting, giving me some emojis, all that kind of stuff really helps with the algorithm. So, you know, let me know if you've had this before, or just tell me it's something you're going to try, or if you try it, let me know, because like I said, those comments help so much. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.